today we are gonna do a tutorial and I'm gonna put makeup on my mom. I can't wait to do it. Do you want me to start off with eyeshadow?
You do whatever you want.
I'm gonna do eyeshadow. I'm gonna do beauty color.
Beauty colors.
This is a beauty color. What?
Okay.
And then do you want this color or this color?
Ooh, that one.
Okay. And then I think I'll get this pretty color.
It's a lot.
Then I'll make this one. That I said that, I think.
What should I do?
That's right! Don't. There's not too much. Not that much. Not that much. Not kidding, there's not that much. Oh, Danny Schmatty up and down.
Oh, can we limit the glitter?
Nope.
The glitter.
No limit. Nope. Doing it for the video. Yeah, the eyes. Oh, pretty. It's nice. I'm gonna do it again. Get some gray on there too. Ooh, pretty. This one get right there. Perfect. I'm gonna make you look like a bunny.
Like a bunny.
I'm gonna make you a bunny. Now, I'm gonna have to use a lot of I'm gonna put this over your good face. Do you wanna be a lion, a tiger, or a turtle? Or do you wanna be a bunny?
What do you want me to be?
Whatever one. Or penguin.
A penguin.
Okay. Now, penguins have white cheeks. White cheeks, they really are. And they pretty cheeks with black. I'm gonna get black. I'm gonna get black and white. Black's kind of glittery. This kind of looks like a penguin. I learned when you gotta color black and then you put on white. And that makes gray. Ooh, pretty. It's nice. I'm ready for the other one, cheeky. Do you want blush?
Do penguins have blushy cheeks?
Kind of have pink cheeks a little
Cheeks,
bit.
okay.
Like peachy cheeksies. And with black and white on it. Yeah, that kind of looks like a penguin. That's starting to look out like a penguin, but not mostly right now. Can I do your nails?
Okay.
I can take this pretty color.
Do you need help?
Yeah, I need help opening it. It's hard.
Oh, don't do that.
No, put your other in
You
there.
get this one?
Both.
Oh.
Flatly on the thing. So when I go to your nail, when I go to your next hand, it's not kind of flicked.
Oh, not flicked. Okay.
Which nail do you want me to do?
You
on this hand?
go for it, girl. You start. It's pretty.
Pretty one. It's sparkles. Oh, it's fine. That's over. I'm a good nail painter.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's in the paint. It's in the paint. Get that off. Okay, put that back in. Okay, I got this, I think. God, yes. I nailed it.
You nailed it.
Oh, pretty. Don't worry, don't worry. Ready for the next one? Look nice right there.
That's really pretty.
Put that back in. And wait for this one. Okay. I think this is gonna be pretty too. I think I'll put this maybe. Wait, I don't think I want this yellow. I want it to kind of be astronaut-y.
Astronauty.
Ooh-ah. Ooh-ah.
Wow.
Oh.
Okay.
Duck on me.
Oh, you got some nail polish on you.
No, I
On
don't.
the nail, too.
No, I don't have
Alright.
too much. Okay, that was not very good. It's fine.
It's fine.
So, I think I'm doing it with yellow.
Okay.
I'm sorry. There. And then in sense, I started out this color. Go to this glass again.
Oh, let's
It's not very cute.
be careful.
I got an idea. What if I don't get very, very, very
There you
close
go.
to
That's
the
probably
nail?
good. That's probably better.
So it's a little drip. Oh, get me. No.
It's okay. They're fine.
No, you're. Put it
They're
up.
fine.
What if they start slipping onto the floor?
They won't, honey. They won't.
Don't shoot there. Just keep them the way they are. Or.
Do you want to do a nail on this side since you already have that one out?
Let's just let that dry for a few more seconds.
Okay.
Let that dry for a few seconds. Now I'm going to do the rest of the penguin.
Okay.
I'm going to give you this. Down, I'm going to come for ya. I'm going to come for you, baby. Yeah. Okay.
Do I get lips? Do I get pretty lips?
Yes, in just 2 minutes.
In 2 minutes.
Close your eyes. I'm gonna do it.
You what?
Never mind.
What did you say?
Nothing. Nothing. I said nothing.
What did you
I
say?
said nothing. Wait, I'm gonna make you kind of like a party girl. A party girl.
What does that mean?
Party girl. A party girl is somebody who looks like a party and she looks pretty and she's at a party and that's what a party girl is.
Cool.
I'm gonna make you a party girl.
Cool.
Some lips, stuff. I'm gonna do this blue. I'm gonna make you like JoJo. That's a party girl. She looks like a party girl when she goes to parties.
She goes to parties.
Yeah, and Charlie's seen her before.
Oh, wow.
Close your lips. Stop it. Stop moving. Okay. Looks like that you have real lips. Party girls have lots of glitter.
Well, I feel like I have a lot of. You're gonna run out of glitter. You're using so much. You're not gonna have any left.
Just a little bit more.
Well, that's most of your glitter is gonna be gone now if you use it all on me. What a shame.
It's not
okay.
really all. It's my
That's probably.
most.
I think we get it.
Close your eyes. Close, blend, close. Into the door I've been looking for. Yeah, baby.
All right, that feels like.
So much glitter, so much glitter.
I can't. I'm scared to open
So
my
much.
eyes.
No, don't touch. Let go.
I'm scared to open my eyes. Oh.
I don't go, baby. More blush. Oh, blush. Blushy party girl. Blushy party girl. Blushy. You definitely look like a party girl now. You look like a bad girl. I'm not done.
I think we get it though.
No, I'm not done. I'm not done. I'm gonna start out with yellow. Oh, pretty. Glitter. You get it of the glitter, right? Get the glitter starts. Oh. Oopsie daisy. That's an oopsie. Oopsie pay push Maisie. Go, let it dip because I better know what to quit. Oh. She's a beer, she will. Okay. I'm not done. I'm hurrying up. What, Dad? What? Oh. Leave it alone, girl. What do you want? Do you want my soap? Wait, one more finger. Good job.
Okay.
I want to add a few more stuff.
That looks really nice.
Just a few. You make it pretty. Don't close the thing down. But anyway, I made sure to let you describe soon. When I'm done with this, eyeshadow.
Oh God.
Eyeshadow. I have her eyes. My baby. Double C, book a B, because your body be a D. Barbie girls look crazy. They really do. They look crazy. Barbie girl.
All right, I feel like I probably could not possibly have any more makeup on me.
Wait.
So
Just
I
gonna
think
get a few more blush because there's not that much.
I think we're gonna end it. Bye. Say smile, mommy.
No,
Look
no.
how beautiful.
I
Rowan,
gotta-
say
I
bye.
have to do a little bit more.
Okay. See you later, everybody.
No!